I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on the DeWalt 1/4-inch rod holders that are made for the DeWalt battery concrete nailer, the sticky system. And what's nice about these, they look a little odd because they're deflected, but here's why. If I take my DeWalt nailer, a regular clip with a rod obviously wouldn't have clearance. So what we can do, what this allows us to do, is install the rod beforehand in place. Oops, if I can get it to stick in the sticky like it's supposed to. We make our fastening. Give that a second to wind down so we can hear it. And so after we make that installation, what we're going to do is just bend our clip into shape. So there you have it, the rod holders. We have them available for 1/4 20 rods, so there's a lot of different applications. We'll be showing you a pre-built J-hook option as well in our next video. You'll need the sticky probe on your DeWalt tool as well. So there you have it. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can find them online at constructionfastening.net.